prove that root 3 minus root 5 is irrational. Okay, for this let us assume root 3 minus root 5 is rational. Okay, therefore we can write this root 3 minus root 5 equals to p by q, where p comma q are co-primes. Okay, now let us transpose minus root 5 to this side, so it becomes plus root 5, root 3 minus p by q plus root 5. Now squaring on both sides, writing the short form SBS, squaring on both sides. So root 3 whole square is equals to p by q plus root 5 whole square. Here square and root getting cancelled. So 3 is equals to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so here this is our a and this is your b. So p by q whole square plus b square is root 5 whole square plus 2 p by q into root 5. Then 3 is equals to p square by q square plus 5 plus 2p by q into root 5. Now keep the irrational part here itself and transpose these two terms to left side. So we can write 3, and then let us transpose 5 to this side, becomes minus 5, and next this p square by q square becomes negative, which equals to 2p by q into root 5. Here 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So minus 2 minus p square by q square is equals to 2p by q into root 5. Take the LCM as q square here, and now multiply these two, that is minus 2q square minus p square is equals to 2p by q into root 5. Then this q and here one q getting cancelled, so you are left with minus 2q square minus p square by q is equals to 2p into root 5. Now let us transpose 2p to this side, it divides, here it is multiplying, so we can write it as minus 2q square minus p square by 2pq, which is equals to root 5. Now this is our LHS and this is the RHS. This is in the form of p by q, and it is an irrational part. So minus 2q square minus p square by 2pq is rational. Okay, whereas root 5 is irrational. Rational. Both never be equal. Both never be equal. Both never be equal. Hence our assumption is false. Hence our assumption is false. Therefore, what was our question given to you? Therefore, root 3 minus root 5 is irrational. Write on that statement. Root 3 minus root 5 is irrational.